Alright then my friends, so I know we're already well into 2026 and I normally release my roadmap earlier on in the year, but I wanted to still make this video to outline the kind of content I'm hoping to make for the channel over the next year. And though the plan might change in several months' time, I made it in good faith that AI is not going to be stealing our jobs at least until 2027. So then, I've already released my recent Claude Code Masterclass course on netninja.dev and a free preview of that here on the channel as well. That was the first thing on the list. Next up, I've got a short course coming about Git work trees, which are a feature of Git that's been around for a long time, but recently it's getting more traction because of the rise of agentic coding. So I thought I'd do a quick series on that. And actually, I'll be doing a fair amount of courses relating to Git, GitHub, and version control in general, because I think now more than ever, in the age of agentic coding, version control is going to be an essential skill of any developer. So there will be more courses in that kind of general area. On top of that, I do hope to get around to Astro in the first half of this year. I said last year I tried to do that, but a lot of my focus was on Flutter, and Astro was one of the topics that I kicked to the bottom of the pile just to make way for that. But I'd like to return to that soon, so expect maybe a crash course or even a masterclass course on Astro at some point. Beyond that, I do plan on updating some of my older courses about Vue and Nuxt and some of the more entry-level subjects as well for new developers, because I've always wanted this channel to be welcoming for anyone new to the industry, new to coding, and to give them that good foundation to build on. And finally, I will be creating some more AI content as well, and I'm going to be splitting that into kind of two different camps. The first one is going to be about agentic coding tools like Claude Code, Gemini CLI, Codex, and Copilot, and the kind of workflows that we can use around those tools to make us better and more productive developers. I've already released a bit of content about those kinds of things on my channel at the tail end of last year, and they seem quite popular. Plus, I do think AI is going to be a huge part of how we develop applications in the future. So I think it's going to be an important topic to learn and how it can help us. The second camp is going to be more about how we integrate AI features into modern applications using APIs from Anthropic or OpenAI or OpenRouter or whatever other model providers we might want to use. So there's going to be a lot of content to create this year, and as always, if there's anything that you would like to see on the channel, please do let me know in the comments down below. I do go through them, and if there's anything that stands out or that a lot of people request, I'll do my best to make room for it. All right, so I hope you all have a great year ahead of you and a productive one, and I'm going to see you all in the very next series.